Let's say you don't have a spring. Yeah, you could rob one out of an ink pen, or you can make one. And it's really simple to do. If you have a cordless drill, find you a bolt that is suitable, small enough, big enough. I like using fine thread bolts. You could use a coarse thread bolt, but put your bolt in a drill. Take the wire, stick it inside the drill, and then turn your drill on. And once you get the very first thread started, follow the pattern of the bolt. Take the bolt out of the drill, unscrew your fresh spring, and again, you're going to want to use wire that's not extremely hard, but not extremely soft. And now you have a spring. Like I said, I like using fine thread bolts, but if you don't have a fine thread bolt, here's a sheetrock screw. Put the sheetrock screw in the drill, preferably so it's straight in the drill. Shove your spring wire inside the drill. Turn the drill on. Take the sheetrock screw out and unscrew the wire from the sheetrock screw. You're not going to have as many threads, but you still have a spring. And so, again, if you use too strong of a wire, it might not work as well. Here's a thicker wire. Unscrew the bolt from the wire. You still have a spring, but it's a stiff spring compared to this one. This is more like an ink pen spring. So, fine thread, coarse thread. Fine thread, coarse thread. With the coarse thread, you don't have as many wraps, and it's not as springy action, I guess, I would say. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Leave me some comments. Give me a thumbs up. You don't have to tear up all your ink pens to get springs. You should have a selection of wire. I don't know what the diameter of this wire is, so I'll let you know. This wire is 0.64 millimeters thick. The bigger wire I was using is 0.74 millimeters thick. So the smaller wire works better. But again, that depends on your application, what you're going to use it for. Fine thread, coarse thread. Again, the coarse thread is still springy, but you got more spring action in the fine thread. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, subscribe to my channel, and may God bless each and every one of you.